Hi, I'm Gemma from Customer Focus. Thank you for choosing to watch this video today. Today we'll be looking at the Insert module list within web stores. First, go to the Content section of the page you wish to add a module onto. You will see at the top left corner there is a drop-down menu called Insert Module. Click on the drop-down menu to choose which module you want to enter. Banners. Here you can insert a banner to your page. When the box pops up, you will see the Contents tab. Here you have options to show however many banners you would like to at once, how many you want per row, and if you want any animation on them. You can also insert a Technologo banner here by inserting your account ID number, the access key reference and the SKU. On the Options tab, you can insert the tab title, HTML ID and HTML class. These show in most of the Options tabs for each module. Bookmarks. Here you can choose and arrange your bookmarks for navigation bars. In the Content section of the pop-up box, you have the optional field of title. You can choose what form of bookmark you want, be this for categories, products, a page, a web address or a heading. You have the option to edit which format you want the submenus to be in, which would be either not applicable, drop down or indented, and the option of how many columns you want. Brand it. If you want Brandit adding onto your page, you must fill out the information within the Contents tab. This information includes whether you want this shown on a panel or a button, the button text for when the logo has or has not been uploaded, the panel layout if a panel was chosen, the title, the panel options which are upload, search and content, and whether or not you want the page to scroll to the products or not. Calendar. Here is where you can insert a calendar onto a page. The options in the Contents tab give you the choice to add a calendar title, have the week starting on a Sunday, display a specific month, show holiday events, and include categories on the calendar. Form. In this module, any forms you have previously created can be added here in the Contents tab. To create a form, go to Contents and Inquiry Form field and fill in all necessary information. Google Map. In the Contents tab of this page, simply enter the postcode or address of the required location, choose the country from the drop-down menu and click Save. A Google map of your location will then show on this page. Page location. The page location adds a box onto your page with the page location within it. There is no Content or Options tab for this module, however further changes can be made by clicking the Edit icon on the block. Photo album. This is where you can add a photo album to your site if you want. You have the choice to show or hide the title and text of each image, and the options to adjust the thumbnail height and width to the size you require. Photo gallery, multiple albums. In the Contents tab for this module, you can insert a photo gallery title and choose your image ratio. Photos Flickr gallery. Here you should enter your Flickr user ID number, photo tags, and a gallery title. Posts. In this Contents tab, all you need to do is choose the amount of posts you want to show on the page. This is the module you would pick if you were to add a blog to your site. Products product list. Here you should enter where you want the products to show from, such as My Selection or Featured Products, the product codes, a title for your product list, and how many are shown per row and if they are displayed in a random or listed order. RSS reader. This module adds an RSS reader to the page. Simply enter the RSS feed's URL, how many items you require it shows, and decide whether you want the customer to be able to subscribe to this by checking Do Not Show, use feed URL, or your own site's URL. Search box. If you want a search box on your page, then on the Contents tab here, you should tick the boxes if you want to include pages and products, if you want to display keywords, keyword matches, exclude keywords, colours, prices and lead times, and if you want to use autocomplete keyword lookup. Social, Facebook Live box. To add a Facebook Live box to your page, enter the Facebook URL, choose if you want to show the faces, stream and header, and set the width and height that you desire the box to be. Social, links. This is where you can add your social media links to your page. Simply enter the URL links on the Content tab. Choose if you want to display icons and text or just one or the other. Choose if you want the links fixed to the page's edge, and finally select the icon size. Technologo banner. In the Contents tab, enter your Technologo account ID, access key, and select an image to add a Technologo banner to the site. Text HTML block. The text HTML block is used to add a block of text to your page. You can either type in the text directly into the Contents tab and edit using the various style options displayed, or you can press Source and add in the HTML if you would rather. User account box. To add a user account box, the only information you must fill in here is the title of the user account box. User inquiry box. To add a user inquiry box, simply select a title for the box, decide if you want to show the module when the inquiry list is empty, and enter the message you want your customers to see when there are no inquiries in their list. Virtual catalogue. To display the virtual catalogue, enter the catalogue reference and a catalogue title. This will give your customers the option to view a page-to-page version of the catalogue on your page. Items in cart. If you do not have e-commerce turned on, you will not be able to make any changes to this module. Thank you again for watching this video regarding modules within web stores today.